Hey, this is Chris and Jess Miller with the MillerTeamAZ at Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation. We're over here on the east side, Golf Links and Pantano, at a house that we're going to hold open here pretty soon. And Jess and I just wanted to come and tell you about a couple of things that we'll be offering at the open house.
Well, when we are at the open house, we will be doing on-site pre-qualification. So if you haven't talked to a lender yet, please stop by and say hi, and let's get you pre-qualified. I also wanted to let you know that this property is located in one of the designated zip codes for the Pathway to Purchase program, 85730. So you have an opportunity to get up to 10% of the purchase price towards your down payment and closing costs. This would literally make this a zero down program. And if we can't get you into Pathway to Purchase, this property also qualifies for a lot of other zero down payment programs. So stop on by, come by, say hello, we'll pre-qualify you. Come meet Steve Dooley, one of our favorite agents, and let him show you some real estate.
Hopefully we can get you into a house soon. Thanks.